Welcome to Tuesday's Tips from Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and chain piecing can save us a lot of time in our sewing. But what exactly is chain piecing? Chain piecing is a system where you sew one seam right after another. You don't cut your threads in between each piece. This is a great time saver. We can do this system with our fabrics not pinned together or pre-pinned together. We get to take those first two seams, match them up. We can have these pinned or not. We're going to stitch off of this little scrap of fabric, and this little scrap of fabric is going to help us not have to hold those threads or worry about those threads. I'll put a link in the description to a video where I talk about this little scrap of fabric at the beginning and the ending of seams. So I'm going to stitch off of this fabric with a couple of stitches. The foot's up, the needle's down. I can slide this right in so that it touches that needle. And it won't matter what seam allowance I'm going to use. I just want to have that touch that needle. If you have a machine where you can program it so that the needle is down, this is definitely the time to use it. If not, you can manually put that needle down. Once we have that lined up, I'm going to start stitching. I come off of that first piece of fabric, match up my next pieces, go a couple of stitches off of this first project, slide that piece right up against the needle, and start sewing. Because the thread is already attached, we're not having to worry about holding those threads before we start stitching. And stitch. Go off a couple of stitches, match up your pieces, and start stitching. So what we're doing is we're making a chain of fabric, and we have these threads in between. We do need a little bit of space, and I'll show you the difference between having a space and having no space. So if we stitch right off of that fabric and slide that fabric right to the needle, there's very little space. The machine stitch is fine. But by not leaving a couple of stitches, this is going to be very hard to get in and trim. Where if we've left a couple of stitches, we have more room. This extra space is going to make it quick to cut between those layers. But if we have no space, it's going to take us a little bit more time to line this up and trim those threads without cutting the fabric. So it's important to leave a couple of stitches in between each of these pieces. It speeds the cutting and makes it easier. And by using this chain piecing, we can chain as simple as 2 pieces together or 200 pieces together, or until you run out of your bobbin. Chain piecing definitely saves a lot of time. So from 2 pieces to a lot of pieces, chain piecing really does save a lot of time because we're not having to hold those threads and stop and start each seam. It's like sewing one long piece and then trimming in between. So it is important that we leave a little bit of a space between each of those chains, and that way we can snip those threads really quick. If you've never chain pieced before, I would love it if you could give it a try and let me know what you think. And thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.